Hello, and welcome to Not Boring English. Today, I have a story for you called The First Hello, perfect for learners at the A1 and A2 levels. As you listen, try the shadowing technique. Pause the video and repeat my sentences to improve your pronunciation and fluency. Remember, if the story is a little fast, you can slow down the video in the YouTube settings. The first hello. My name is Maya. Today is a very important day. It is my first day at my new job. I am a graphic designer. I make pictures and designs for websites and books. I like my job very much, but today I am very nervous. I wake up early in the morning. I choose my clothes carefully. I want to look professional. I wear a blue shirt and black pants. I eat a small breakfast. I am too nervous to eat a lot. I drink a big cup of coffee. I take the bus to my new office. The office is in a big, tall building in the city. I look at the building. It looks so big. I feel very small. I take a deep breath and walk inside. The reception area is very modern. There is a woman at a big desk. I walk to her. Hello, I say. My name is Maya. Today is my first day. My voice is a little quiet. The woman smiles. Welcome, Maya. We are happy to have you. Your manager, Mr. Chen, is waiting for you. His office is on the 5th floor. You can take the elevator. Thank you, I say. I find the elevator and press the button for the 5th floor. The elevator is fast. My heart is fast, too. Ding. The doors open. The 5th floor is a large, open office. There are many desks. Many people are working. They are typing on their computers. They are talking on the phone. The office is busy and a little loud. No one looks at me. I feel like I am invisible. I walk slowly, looking for Mr. Chen's office. I see a door with his name on it. I knock gently. A man opens the door. He is smiling. You must be Maya, he says. I am David Chen. It's a pleasure to meet you. Welcome to the team. It's a pleasure to meet you too, I say. I feel a little better. His smile is kind. Mr. Chen shows me around the office. He shows me the kitchen, where I can make coffee. He shows me the meeting rooms. Then he shows me my desk. My desk is near a big window. I can see the city outside. This is nice. My desk is empty. There is only a computer, a keyboard, and a mouse. It doesn't feel like my desk yet. It feels cold and strange. Mr. Chen says, Okay, Maya, here is your computer. I will send you some information to read. Get comfortable. If you have any questions, please ask. Then he walks back to his office. So, I sit down at my new desk. I turn on the computer. I look at the people around me. They are all busy. Some people are talking to each other. They are laughing. They seem to know each other well. They are friends. I don't know anyone. I feel very alone. I start to read the information on my computer. The work seems interesting, but the feeling of being new is very strong. It is a heavy feeling in my stomach. I feel like everyone is watching me. the new person. But nobody is watching me. Everyone is busy with their own work. It is almost lunchtime. My stomach makes a small, hungry noise. I brought a sandwich with me. I can eat at my desk, or I can go to the kitchen. I am not sure what to do. I am too shy to go to the kitchen. Maybe I will just stay at my desk. I look at the clock. It is 12 Scion p.m. Some people stand up. They go to the kitchen in small groups. They are talking and laughing. I feel a little sad. I wish I had someone to talk to. I decide to be brave. I will go to the kitchen and get some water. I stand up and walk slowly to the kitchen. My heart is beating fast again. This is silly, I think. It is just a kitchen. In the kitchen, a few people are making their lunch. They do not see me. I get a glass of water from the cooler. I am about to walk back to my desk when a man turns around. He has kind eyes and a warm smile, like Mr. Chen. He looks at me and says, "Hello, I don't think we've met." "I'm Leo." His voice is friendly. My nervous feeling starts to go away. I smile back. It is a real smile this time. "Hi, Leo. I'm Maya," I say. "It's my first day." "Oh, a new person. Welcome," Leo says. "The first day is always a little strange, isn't it?" I nod. "Yes, it is." I feel so happy that he understands. "Are you eating lunch now?" he asks. "Yes, I have a sandwich at my desk," I say. "Well, some of us are eating in the break room. It's more fun than eating alone at your desk. Would you like to join us?" he asks. My heart feels light. It is a simple question, but it means so much to me. It is an invitation. It is a connection. "Yes," I say. "I would love that. Thank you." Leo smiles again. "Great. Come on. I'll introduce you to some of the others." I follow Leo to the break room. There are a few other people sitting at a big table. They all look up and smile when we enter. Leo introduces me. I say hello to everyone. They say hello back. I sit down and eat my sandwich. I listen to their conversation. I even talk a little bit. I talk about my old job. I ask them about their work here. They are all very nice. The first hello from Leo changed everything. My new, big, scary office doesn't feel so scary anymore. My empty desk doesn't feel so cold. I know that making friends takes time. But today, because of one kind person, it feels like I am already home. Comprehension questions. Now, I will ask you a few questions about the story to check your understanding. 1. What is Maya's job? 2. Why does Maya feel nervous and alone in the morning at the office? 3. Who is the first person to say hello to Maya and invite her to lunch? Please write your answers in the comments section below to practice your English writing. Thank you for listening to today's story. Do you remember your first day at a new job or a new school? Please tell me about it in the comments. Don't forget to subscribe to Not Boring English for more stories to help you learn.